So while the head was at BOOSTIN, we ended up going to shootout and helped Devin out with his race program, hang out with the family, you know, we brought the kids and everything. Devin actually hurt his collarbone a month before, and he still went out there and just killed it. So we had a really fun time at the shootout. We were kind of a skeleton crew. It was just me, Christian, Devin, Kristen, working on the car, and my wife Tegan was taking care of the kids. You know, we ended up going up against Rafe in the Evo 10 in the finals, and Devin took home the W. So we had a really fun time at the shootout. It was an amazing weekend. The car cooperated real well. Devin drove that bitch. The Evo 10 was really fast as well, but you know, out the back door, Red Demon just kind of took that win.
A couple days after shootout, the head was done, so I got back to work.
Sheesh! Wow! That's amazing. How nice is that?
So BOOSTIN Performance ended up replacing all 16 valves with Ferrea Sport Competition valves in a standard size. They also went ahead and replaced 8 valve stem guides and spot faced the washer registers for the head studs. I went ahead and replaced the ARP 2000s with some ARP 625 Plus with these 1-inch washers. So I've ran a Cometic head gasket for years, but this new SCE Vulcan cut ring gasket looked promising, so I went ahead and upgraded that too. I'm not even gonna lie, this manifold looks like it's seen better days. It was ceramic coated like maybe 5-7 years ago, I will replace it at some point, but right now it sounds good and it still works, so we're gonna leave it on there. I'm gonna set the timing right here, but I'm not gonna throw the belt on just yet. I want to prime the engine with oil with the oil pump. So I'm gonna put everything back together before I put the belt on. I went ahead and upgraded the turbo. I didn't go too big. I just went from a journal bearing red to a ball bearing red. This one has that beautiful billet Zona center cartridge, and hopefully we make some good power and maybe a little bit of spool.
Ready? All right, good job, Caleb.
Brush softer and better long.
And we're timed, buddy.
Now that the motor's done, in the next episode, Caleb and I will slide the motor and drivetrain back into the chassis. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.